Hello everyone, Mrs. Meenakshi here. Today in this video, we will talk about Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, which was the initiative of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi, who launched this program on Ekta Divas on 31st October 2015. The motive behind was to foster the national integration. Let us know about Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat in detail. Under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat project, the pairing state of Gujarat is given Chhattisgarh. So we received the circular for the same. All the CBSE schools got the circular in November 2019 about conducting several activities under this project. So what is the objective of this project? To celebrate the unity and diversity of our nation, and to maintain and strengthen the fabric of emotional bond between the people of our country, and to promote the spirit of national integration, to showcase the rich heritage and culture, the custom, tradition of different states, and to create an environment which promotes learning between states by sharing their best practices and experiences. So as you know, Gujarat's pairing state is Chhattisgarh. This way, 19 pairs were given by the government. So let us know in detail about the Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. Here is the map of Gujarat and location of Gujarat in the map of India. And this is the map of Chhattisgarh and location of Chhattisgarh in the map of India. This Chhattisgarh state was separated by Madhya Pradesh. So it is almost in the eastern part of India. If we talk about the art forms of Gujarat, in Gujarat, the famous art form is Warli painting, mirror work on mud walls and on fabric. And Bandhani, tie and dye of Gujarat is very famous. And about Chhattisgarh, the cotton fabric painting, which is known as Pithora painting, bamboo work and metal work is very famous. Traditional dresses. In Gujarat, the traditional dress is kurta dhoti for men and chaniya choli for women. And in Chhattisgarh, sari and polka blouse is worn by the woman, and kachora and lugra is the dress of the men. If we talk about the traditional dances, in Gujarat, it is Tippani. This is the particular dance of Gujarat, and Garba and Dandiya. And Chhattisgarh is having Sela and Sua. Traditional food. So in Gujarat, the Dhokla, Thepla, Khandvi, Patra, these are the very special food of Gujarat. And Chhattisgarh, there is chilla and dehori. This is a particular sweet dish famous in Chhattisgarh. If we talk about monuments, in Gujarat, we have several heritage sites like Rani Ki Vav. It is located in Patan, and Pavagadh Archaeological Park. It is in Champaner and Lothal. And in Chhattisgarh, as such, there is no heritage site, but the famous historical places are Bastar Palace and Lakshman Temple. If we talk about the state animals, Gujarat state animal is Asiatic lion, and Chhattisgarh, it is wild water buffalo. State bird, in Gujarat, it is flamingo, and Chhattisgarh is maina. State flower, Gujarat, marigold, and Chhattisgarh, lady's slipper. Very beautiful flower. And if we talk about the state tree, and Gujarat state tree is banyan tree, and Chhattisgarh is sal. Let's know more about Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. If we talk about the literal meaning of the state Gujarat, it is land of Gujars. Spoken language, it is Gujarati. Chief Minister of Gujarat Shri Vijay Rupani ji. Capital of state is Gandhinagar, and Gujarat is having 33 districts with a population of 60.4 million. Major rivers are Narmada and Tapi. Festival celebrated here is Navratri. National parks, the famous national park is Gir National Park. Historical places is Rani Ki Vav and Lothal site. State animal, Asiatic lion. State bird, flamingo. State flower, marigold. State tree, banyan. And different places to visit is Sabarmati Ashram, Somnath Temple, Run of Kutch, Dwarkadish Temple in Dwarika, Statue of Unity, and Lakshmi Vilas Palace at Vadodara. If we talk about Chhattisgarh, then the literary meaning of Chhattisgarh is 36 forts. Chhattisgarh, sorry. And language spoken is Hindi. And Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh is Shri Bhupesh Baghel. Capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. There are 28 districts with a population of 32.2 million, almost half of the Gujarat. Major rivers, Rihand and Mahanadi. Festival celebrated is Dussehra. National park is Indravati National Park. अगर हम historical places की बात करें, if we talk about historical places, there is Bastar Palace and Lakshman Temple. State animal, wild buffalo. State bird is Maina. State flower is lady slipper, and state tree is sal. Places to visit, Bastar Palace, Lakshman Temple, and Mahamaya Temple, Kankar Palace, and Brahmadev Temple, Devrani Jethani Temple, and Kutum Sar Caves and Kailash Gufa. This is all about Chhattisgarh. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you very much.